Hey everybody, Mark here. And last week, some of you may have watched the video I did about gerunds. So if you don't know about gerunds, you can watch that video first. But if you have seen that video, I had a student ask about using this ing, right? Because you see the ing, you've studied this before with the present continuous, right? You've studied this before in class. What are you doing? I'm studying now. I'm having lunch with my friend next week. So that's our present continuous, which you often see in the elementary books, in the pre-intermediate book. We always have the same pattern. So the student who commented on my other video, he was wondering about words like getting, having, and letting. So I'm going to give you some examples, first using the present continuous, all right? So here, this one, it says, I'm getting a new phone for my birthday. See, this one, keeping in the present continuous, we have our be, am is are. I could change, right? He's getting, you're getting a new phone for your birthday. He's getting a new phone for his birthday. I'm getting a new phone for my birthday, right? So all of these, right, in our present continuous. Often getting, right? You get, you give, right? We can also use this a little bit different. Maybe I say, it is getting late, right? I often use this if I'm working, right? And I say, oh no, it's getting late, I should go home, right? It's getting late. Or I'm getting hungry, right? Words like late, hungry, that's our adjective, right? We can also use that with our get, right? Get hungry, get angry, right? I'm getting hungry. That's also okay with our present continuous, ing. Okay, for lunch, right? Maybe you are having lunch. I know you're like, oh, I'm eating lunch, right? Well, have is a bit special. You could say having lunch, action, right? I'm having lunch with my friends. Having, the other word we can often use is having a party, right? I'm having a party on Saturday. Do you want to come to the party, right? Please message below and I'll invite you to the party, right? I'm having a party. I'm having lunch, right? Very, very common way to use our have in the present continuous. And the third one is our word let. If you say, I'm letting someone do something, you're allowing them to do it. So here I say, my mom's letting me go to my friend's house tonight. This is not a situation for now, right? This was when I was in high school, when I was a student. I would say, oh yeah, my mom's letting me go to my friend's house tonight. She's allowing me to, right? Right. Allowing me to. Giving me permission to. That's our letting me, okay? And then for our gerund, our video from last time, we can use, right, this ing as a subject of a sentence. Here I said, oh yeah, I'm getting a new phone. I'm getting a new phone, right? Here we say, oh yeah, getting a new phone would be awesome. I think so, right? Would getting a new phone be awesome for you, right? Oh yeah, I say getting a new phone would be awesome for me. Or if we have a word like enjoy, I love, I enjoy, I hate. In this case, it's my brother. Having lunch with my brother? Oh yeah, I really enjoy having lunch with my brother. You can think for your brother. Do you like having lunch with your brother? Right? Again, here we're using it as an object. And then last, we have phrases like this where we have a preposition at the end. I'm thinking of. We also use that ing. We can do, I'm thinking of letting my brother borrow my car. My brother, I trust him, so I think it's okay. I'm thinking of allowing him, I'm thinking of letting him borrow my car for the day. All right, so I do hope this helps you get some more examples for how to use get, have, let in your life. Again, if it's still a little confusing, you can comment below. I'll try to give you some feedback about the way you are using the ing in your sentences. But other than that, I hope you have a great week, and I will see you in the next video.